Friends, due to slow internet speed, today I am going to deliver my lecture on the plane of this paper. Few minutes before, I have drafted my lecture on the plan of this paper. Dear students, today I will throw the light thoroughly on the topic optics and its types. Dear friends, first of all, let me define optics, a modified definition of optics. It is a branch of physics that deals with the studies behavior of light and also its interaction with the matter. Now, what's light? It's very simple. Light is an electromagnetic wave having the wavelength range of 400 to 8 4000 to 8000 angstrom. Now, in other words, I can define optics as a branch of physics which describes the properties of infrared rays, ultraviolet rays, visible light, because all these waves possess the same characteristic property as that of the light. Now, there are broadly two types of optics: physical optics, which is also called wave optics, and the second one is ray optics, which is also called geometrical optics. Now, physical optics. It is based on the assumption that light is a form of wave. Most of the optical phenomena accounts by using classical electromagnetic description of light. In this branch of optics, that is physical optics, certain phenomena like interference, diffraction, polarization are explained. Most of the optical phenomena accounts by using this type of optics. But unfortunately, one of the limitation of physical optics or wave optics is that it is very difficult to apply in practice. This optics is the modified optics as it was developed after 19th century. So we can say that the wave optics model was developed after 19th century. Now, let's talk about ray optics or geometrical optics. According to this optics, light is a form of a ray. Yeah, in other words, light travels as a rays in the form of straight lines, and these rays gets bended when they pass through a surface or when they reflect from a surface. Historically, ray-based model was developed. Ray optics is based on the assumption that light is a form of ray. So far as ray optics is concerned, it is very easy to use in practice. So, in order to use in practice, the simplest form of ray based model was developed, and this ray based model is simply the geometrical optics. Certain phenomena like we have Crompton effect, photoelectric effect, they are explained on the basis of this optics. Now, one more important thing is there, important point to be remembered. Some phenomena are based on the fact that light has both wave as well as particle nature, like reflection of light, rectilinear propagation. Similarly, we have refraction of light. For in order to understand such phenomena, that is which accounts, which are based on the fact that light has both wave as well as particle nature, we use quantum mechanics. That is the mechanics which was developed after the formulation of theory of relativity. In so far as quantum mechanics is concerned, in quantum mechanics we use simply the quantum optics, which deals with the phenomena of light at submicroscopic level. Dear students, I can't much more proceed my lecture. So it is my humble request for all viewers to subscribe my channel. Thank you.